Hey, my name is Sam, aka Mr. 2 Pairs Minimum, and today we're going to talk about why the Jordan 1 High Skyline flopped. Jordan Brand pays homage to the iconic Michael Jordan Skyline photograph with a print on its lid with a large red Nike logo. Inside the box comes with shoes in white paper with an extra set of white laces and a paper lace box. I love the box design, but we're not here for the box, so let's get right into the shoes. The Jordan 1 Skyline was a fairly anticipated Jordan 1 released back in April 2023. Featuring a white leather upper with a gradient purple to light orange canvas overlays. All this sits on a yellowed midsole and black outsole. So here are 3 main reasons why I feel it flopped. 1. Jordan 1s are not only washed, they're rinsed, dried, and now played out. There is only so many Jordan 1s people can stay excited for. Plus the lazy soulless storytelling means demand for this model has dwindled. 2. Inflation. As you know, prices for goods and services are increasing, so people are spending less on sneakers in general. Combined with the inflated retail prices, Jordan 1s now retail for £170 to £190 here in the UK. Only a couple years ago they were £130. 3, which is probably the most important and overall weak product and design. The immature asymmetric color blocking, combined with a hard to clean yet easy to stain material choice of cotton canvas, makes this one of the most impractical and awkward Jordan 1s to recommend. However, you can pick these up in the sales for £130 to £100, and at that price, it's a decent summer Jordan 1 I guess. Jokes aside, sizing wise, I recommend you stay true to size like I did, but the soft canvas upper feels generous so you can afford to sneak down half a size for that snug fit. My question to you is, does the price affect how you see a sneaker? Let me know why you think these Skylines didn't sell out in the comments below. As usual, purchase links are in the YouTube description. While you're there, hit the like and subscribe button and comment line to show me you enjoyed this video. Now let's discuss, did you pick these up, did you miss out, or did you pass? Let me know your thoughts in the comments below. Apart from that, have a good day.